Hello ladies, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delights. Today I'm going to show you how I am protecting my hair. I'm doing a protective style, and I'm basically just braiding my hair in 8 sections. I washed it already and I just finished clipping my ends. Thank God. I had to stop and take breaks in between because I had to make sure that my son was okay. But I just going to show you what I did. So I parted my hair in the middle, straight back, okay, and then I parted in the middle of this section, in the middle of this section. That's 4 sections, and then I parted in the middle of 4 sections, so that turned into 8 sections. So now I have 7 braids and this is my last section. So what I use is just water and coconut oil. I'm eventually going to start using more ingredients, natural ingredients on my hair, but for right now I'm just doing a simple water and coconut oil method. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to put a little bit more water on my hair because I feel like my hair is dry, but just want to make sure that my hair is moisturized enough. Work my way to the top. Put my comb here. Alright, so now I'm about to braid my hair. We'll take this strand. We'll take this strand. I'm going to braid it. Thank you, Jesus. And then when I'm ready to take my braids down, I can just take it down and rock the wavy style. It's kind of like a twist out, but it's a braid out. So twist outs and braid outs are really pretty. So I do it every once in a while, but I really just like to keep my hair braided up, wrapped up. That way I don't have to do anything to it. I don't have to spend a whole lot of time on my hair. So yeah, just making sure that it's taken care of and that it stays protected and that it stays moisturized. And of course I flat ironed my hair for my birthday, so I just went through the whole process of trying to, I guess, go natural again. I mean, I am still natural, but when you flat iron your hair, it can take away all of the natural look. So that's why I'm doing the protective style, to get that natural look back. But yeah, so that is how you can protect your style, and it looks pretty cool too. You can actually wrap it. Like you can do like this side, you can wrap it this way. This side, you can wrap it this way. Bobby pin it, wrap it up, and that's it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And thank you ladies for watching. If you found this video helpful, if you found it encouraging, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be posting more hair tutorials soon. I will talk to you soon.